This is a demo Google Tag Manager. Here I set up some tag, for example, GA4 email click, form submission, CTA button click, page view, and a phone click, scroll depth, etc. And also I set up some trigger over here. For example, email click, form submission, phone click, scroll depth, etc. By the way, let's check how your website will work with my configuration when I will set up finally. So let's preview. Here is your website, and I'm going to connect. Okay, tag assistant is connected with your website, and already Google Tag and Page View in generally when visitor visit, it is fired. Now let's click the CTA button, get a free code. Okay, and now the CTA button is fired, as well as the scroll depth is fired because already I scored uh, 25 or 50% or almost the page. That's why scroll depth is fired. Also, the CTA button is fired, and we can see over here. Okay, let the GA4 receive. Yes, and look at the CTA button already received by GA4, and also scroll depth and page view. Okay, let's check the another tag. This is form submission, phone click, and email click. Let's do it. For example, when anybody will come your website and fill up the form over here, test edit, test ABC. For example, the phone number 123 and the test. Okay, if anyone fill up the form and submit and send the inquiry, for example, if we click over here, okay, let's check. Here is the form submission, tag is fired, and GA4 will also receive the form submission. Okay, and if anyone click on, for example, the phone number, and then the phone click is fired, and GA4 also will receive the phone number. Yes, the phone click also received by GA4, and the another one is if anyone click email. Okay, let's check this email click, this tag is fired, and therefore also receive if anyone click the email. Okay, is received. So this is the demo setup. Thank you so much for watching this video.